Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Everything you need in a truck at a price you wouldn't expect.
It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape.
Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, available heated and cooled front seats, and power windows. Enjoy the comfortable cabin of the Silverado 1500 in privacy, with deep tinted glass standard on some trim levels. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility.
Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
The 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Well equipped and fully capable, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value.